Okay, so this is the 3rd annual cranberry tasting. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you going to love them?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get a spoon ready. Come on over here. Lila, you want to try some cranberries? All right, let's try it. Here we go. Bee's going to go first. Oops, let me close the... Here we go. That's right. All right, so first for Bee. Okay, here we go. Open up. Do you like them? Do you want more? Yes or no? Here, let's try another bite. So they're a hit? You like them? Okay, good.
I like them.
Okay, good. Lila, you want to try some cranberries?
What?
Want to try some cranberries? Oops. Hold on, Jake. Trying to get them. I'll hold it. Okay, you want to try them? Oh, come on, try them. They're good. They're berries. They're berries. Bibi tried them. She liked them. Mama tried them. Here, look, Bibi's going to eat them again. Oh, you wanted them. Okay, here we go. Let's try yours. Do you like them? Do you like them? What do you say? You say more, please? Okay, come here. Wait, this is for Lila.
That's not my bite. You don't like them?
Do you like them, Lila?
Mm-mm.
You don't like the second bite?
She likes 3 bites.
3 bites? Maybe the 3rd one's the charm? Let's try it.
She likes that one.
All right, well, let's go sit down. We can have some more.